Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter in civics, that is lesson 5, the Panchayati Raj system. And in this chapter we are going to learn about the different levels of Panchayati Raj, that is village panchayat, block samiti and Zilla Parishad. And in the last we are going to see the achievements and shortcomings of the Panchayati Raj. So first let's understand what do we mean by Panchayati Raj. The system of local self-government which is established in rural area is called as Panchayati Raj. In our country, the system of panchayat is very old, and the word panchayat means a group of 5 people. Now, it was a custom in village to elect a group of 5 elders or panch, which means 5, and they used to settle disputes and look after the problems of the village. So, Panchayati Raj is that system under which the people living in villages are given the right to administration and development of villages according to their own will. Now we can divide this Panchayati Raj system into 3 parts. The first one is the Gram Panchayat at the village level. Second is the Panchayat Samiti at the block level and Zilla Parishad at the district level. Panchayati Raj system has certain advantages also. Let's see them. The first one is since the local people they are more familiar with their problems, they are able to offer better solution. Then the village community participates more actively in the development measures because it is for their own benefit, and at the same time it trains people at the local or village level to be more self reliant during the time of calamities like flood, earthquakes, etc. And it also reduces the burden of center and state government in the administrative domain. Now, first we will take up, children, the Panchayati Raj at the village level. The Panchayati Raj, as I told you earlier, in a village has 3 parts. The first is Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat is the second one, and third is the Nyaya Panchayat. So, let's first take what is the meaning of Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha is the foundation of Panchayati Raj system. It means a meeting of the village. And who all comprise the Gram Sabha? Let's see that all residents of the village who are above 18 years of age, they form the Gram Sabha, and they elect the Gram Panchayat also, the executive which looks after the administration of the village. Then it also approves the budget, and all the development scheme for the villages they are discussed in the Gram Sabha. Now, 2 meetings of the Gram Sabha are compulsory in a year, and at the same time, the Gram Sabha it has the power to review the work which is done by the Gram Panchayat and examine its account of expenditure. Now, children, we will understand what is the meaning of Gram Panchayat. A Gram Panchayat is established in a village which is having a minimum population of 750 people. The members of Gram Sabha, they directly elect the members of Gram Panchayat, and the number of members of the Panchayat is fixed on the basis of population of that village. So this number of Panchayat, it varies from state to state. And in order to become a member of Gram Panchayat, a person should at least attain the number of years should be 21 years. And the tenure of Gram Panchayat, that is the time period, is 5 years. Then there are certain reservation of seats also for Panchayat for scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and OBC, and 1/3 of the total number of seat is reserved for the women. Women empowerment has led to collective action in issues of social reforms like discontinuing of child marriage, welfare and education. The meetings of the Gram Panchayat are presided over by the Sarpanch or Pradhan, who is an elected person. The Sarpanch signs the important documents and coordinates the activities of the Panchayat. The Panchayat elects Up-Pradhan or deputy chairperson, and he officiates in the absence of the Pradhan. Then the Gram Panchayat also has a secretary, and he is also a government employee, and he keeps records or accounts of income and expenditure, and also the records of the meetings and the work done by the Panchayat. Now in the next class we are going to learn about the functions of Gram Panchayat.